Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abhinav Singh, consultant dermatologist at Skin Fine Clinic, Noida. Today we are going to talk about how to apply sunscreen properly. Many people use sunscreen, but very few of them use it correctly. For sunscreen to be effective, it should be applied at least 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure so that it can form a proper film on the skin. For face and neck, at least 2 finger length should be applied, and do not miss the commonly missed areas like ear, neck and around the eyes. One of the biggest mistake of sunscreen application is applying once in the morning. In Indian condition where there's sweating, humidity, it should be reapplied every 3 to 4 hours if there is continuous outdoor exposure. If we are sweating excessively, swimming, or there is continuous sun exposure, it should be reapplied more frequently. So the message is sunscreen morning application is not enough. Repeat application is key to proper sun protection. Thank you.